What if your next big upgrade isn't a smartphone, a laptop, or even a traditional VR headset? What if it's a completely different way of experiencing digital content? This is the URXR One from Unseen Reality, and after looking closely at what this device is designed to do, I have one big question. Is URXR One actually bringing something new to the XR market, or is it another futuristic product that looks impressive but isn't practical? Today we're going to take a detailed look at the URXR One, its design, technology, experience, potential use cases, and the most important question of all, is it worth your money? Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Trove. On this channel, we look at interesting technology, futuristic gadgets, smartphones, computers, and products that could shape the future. And today's product is particularly interesting because we're moving beyond traditional screens. This is the URXR One. So let's start with the basics. The URXR One comes from Unseen Reality, a company focused on immersive and extended reality technology. At its core, the idea behind a product like this is simple. Instead of experiencing digital content only through a conventional screen, XR technology attempts to create a more immersive relationship between you and the digital world. That can include things like virtual environments, spatial content, interactive experiences, visualization, entertainment, and other applications. But here's what matters. URXR One isn't interesting simply because it's an XR product. What's interesting is the particular experience and technology Unseen Reality is trying to create, and that's what we're going to examine throughout this review. Let's talk about the design. At first glance, the URXR One has a very futuristic identity. The design immediately tells you that this isn't supposed to be just another everyday electronic device. For a product like this, however, appearance is only part of the story. The real test is comfort and usability. If you're going to use immersive technology for extended periods, factors such as weight, balance, ergonomics, controls, visibility, and overall comfort become extremely important. So when reviewing the URXR One, these are the things I'd pay close attention to. How comfortable is it after 15 minutes? How does it feel after 30 minutes? Is the weight distributed properly? And most importantly, does the hardware get in the way of the experience? Because the best immersive technology is technology you eventually stop thinking about. Now let's talk about the part that really matters with an XR product, the visual experience. This is where specifications can tell us a lot, but the real-world experience tells us even more. Things like resolution, field of view, refresh rate, image quality, clarity, brightness, contrast, and latency can dramatically affect how convincing an immersive experience feels. And there's another important factor: how natural does the experience feel? A technically impressive display isn't enough if the experience feels artificial or uncomfortable. The goal is to make digital content feel convincing enough that your brain can interact with it naturally. That's the promise of XR. And this is one of the areas where the URXR One becomes particularly interesting. Now let's get into the technology behind the URXR One. This is where I think the product becomes much more interesting than a simple gadget. XR technology combines multiple technologies to create an immersive experience. Depending on the specific implementation, that can involve sensors, cameras, displays, tracking systems, spatial computing, software, and interaction technologies. The important thing isn't simply having all of these components, it's how well they work together. Because if tracking is slow, the experience suffers. If the image quality isn't good enough, immersion suffers. If controls aren't intuitive, usability suffers. And if everything works together smoothly, that's when the technology starts to feel genuinely futuristic. Now comes the question most people will ask. What can I actually do with the URXR One? Immersive technology has applications far beyond gaming. Think about gaming, entertainment, education, professional training, design and engineering, 3D visualization, virtual collaboration, creative work, and potentially many other applications as the ecosystem develops. For consumers, entertainment and gaming may be the easiest applications to understand, but the bigger opportunity could be professional use. Imagine being able to visualize something in 3 dimensions instead of looking at a flat image. For designers, engineers, educators, and other professionals, that could completely change how certain information is presented. But here's something I always consider in a technology review. how easy is it to actually use? Because impressive technology means very little if the setup process is frustrating. With the URXR One, I'd look at several things. How easy is the initial setup? How quickly can you start using it? Are the controls intuitive? How easy is it to navigate? How good is the software experience? And how reliable is the tracking? These details don't always appear on a specification sheet, but they can determine whether you use a product every day or leave it sitting in a drawer. Now let's talk performance. For an immersive device, performance isn't only about processing power, it's about the entire experience. You want responsive interaction, you want smooth visuals, you want accurate tracking, and you want minimal delay between what you do and what the system shows you. That responsiveness is critical. Even a small amount of latency can make an immersive experience feel less natural. So if the URXR One can deliver smooth interaction and reliable tracking, that's a major advantage. But if there are compromises, that's something potential buyers need to know before spending their money. Another important area is battery life and connectivity. This is something that can make or break portable technology. If you're constantly worrying about charging, the experience becomes less convenient. Connectivity is equally important. Modern immersive devices need to communicate effectively with the rest of your technology ecosystem. Whether you're connecting to another device, accessing content, transferring information, or using external accessories, the process should ideally feel simple. Again, these aren't necessarily the most exciting features, but they're the things you'll notice every single day. So let's quickly talk about the biggest potential advantages of the URXR One. Number 1, immersive technology. The entire concept is designed around creating a different way to experience digital content. Number 2, futuristic experience. If you're interested in emerging technology, this is exactly the kind of product that's worth watching. Number 3, potential applications. The technology could potentially be useful for entertainment, education, professional visualization, and more. Number 4, innovation. Unseen reality is attempting to explore a space that could become increasingly important as XR technology develops. But no product is perfect. There are also some important things to consider. First, price. If the URXR One is significantly more expensive than conventional technology, buyers need to decide whether the experience justifies that cost. Second, content and ecosystem. A great device needs great experiences. And third, mainstream adoption. XR technology still has to overcome the question of whether average consumers actually want to use immersive devices regularly. These aren't necessarily problems unique to URXR One. They're challenges facing the entire XR industry. So who is the URXR One actually for? I'd say it's particularly interesting for people who love emerging technology, if you're an early adopter, if you're interested in XR, if you enjoy experimenting with futuristic devices, or if you're looking for new ways to experience digital content, then the URXR One could be worth considering. But if you simply want the cheapest and easiest way to watch videos, play games, or use traditional apps, you may not need something like this. This is more about experiencing a different category of technology. So, is the URXR One worth it? Here's my take. The most exciting thing about this product isn't simply what it can do today. It's what this type of technology represents for the future. We're moving toward a world where computers may become less about staring at rectangular screens and more about interacting with digital information in immersive environments. URXR One is part of that transition, but whether you should buy it comes down to one thing. Do you want to experience the future early, or do you want to wait until the technology becomes more mainstream? If you're an early adopter and the URXR One's features match the way you want to use XR, it could be a very interesting product. But for everyone else, I'd carefully consider the price, available experiences, comfort, and long-term ecosystem before making the decision. Now I want to know what you think. Would you spend your money on the URXR One, or would you wait for the next generation of XR technology? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Tech Trove for more futuristic technology, gadgets, smartphones, AI, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.